Okay, YouTubers, we're doing a quick video on concrete sealer, and this is the concrete sealer that we have chosen. We picked this up at one of the big box stores. It's called Concrete Sealer Wet Look High Gloss Clear Protection. It's 5 gallons of it. This is the driveway that my wife has cleaned. She's pressure washed it, and she also used a concrete cleaner. It wasn't muriatic acid, it was just a concrete cleaner with a scrub brush. And so basically this is what the driveway looks like right now. So it's just a little reference for you guys because we had no reference. We just want to see what it would look like before and after. So this is the before, one final little sweeping before she applies the sealer. And we'll be back with that. Okay, she is starting to apply it. We have the lid off. And she just took a cup and dipped into the bucket and is just pouring it directly on the concrete and then rolling it. I wouldn't worry about it, just roll with it. Here you go. Alright, we'll check back when she gets done rolling the stuff on. Okay, and this is what it looks like after one coat. So, just looks like wet concrete to me. And so this is the second coat that she's applying now. Looks drastically better to me. So, what we'll do is come out, we'll let this dry tonight. And tomorrow, when this dries, I'll take another video and let you guys see it. But yeah, that looks really good in that second coat. That's the first coat and the second coat. Okay, YouTubers, this is day 2. It's been 24 hours since the last coat. We did two coats on this concrete part right here. I have driven my vehicle over it. It feels dry to touch. I wouldn't say it's anything spectacular about it. It looks kind of wet. It is a little bit splotchy. I don't know if you can tell, but let's see if you can put it in the sun. You see a little bit of splotchiness. So alright. So again, this is just a review. This is 48 hours after applying this sealer, and I guess we're pleased with it. It's just nothing outstanding, but I guess we're pleased with it as long as it seals the concrete. That's really the thing we're shooting for. It makes it basically look wet. Oh, one other tip is I was told that you can tint this stuff, so you can have them tint it whatever color you want. And we didn't, we just went with a clear. So I could see how a little brown tint would probably look good. So it is going to be a little bit blotchy though, but that's okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you in deciding on whether or not you want to use this product or not.